Hello student, today we will start with the topic state diagram and state table. See, the state table means what? The state table representation of a sequential circuit consists of three sections called as present state, next state and output. The present state designates the state of the flip-flop before the occurrence of the clock pulse. The next state shows the states of the flip-flop after the clock pulse. And the output section lists the value of the output variables during the present state. The state diagram. In addition to graphical symbol, tables or equation, flip-flop can also be represented graphically by state diagram. In this diagram, the state is represented by a circle and the transition between the state is indicated by direction lines connected the circle. Okay, see now state diagram. In state diagram, if you observe, see these are the circle, these are the present state, these are the direction, like this one. Okay, so we'll elaborate all this one how it will be. See how we can read this one. Okay, so 1 this is nothing but your present state, encircle it, present state. Then whenever input is 1, this one is input is 1, and by this will define as output. Input by output. Okay, by means after this input what is the output they are defined, right? See how we can read this state diagram. Whenever present state is 1 1 and input is 1, at that time direction will be indicated, the next state is again 1 1 and output is 0. I repeat again. Whenever present state is 1 1 and if you provide the input is 1, at that time next state is again same, means 1 1 and output is 0. We'll take another example. So for example the 0 0, then present state is 0 0, input is 0, again the next state is again 0 0 and output is 0. So actual for every, now consider this one, whenever present state is 0 0, input is 1, next state is 0 1, output is 0. See again, I will elaborate again this one. Whenever present state is 0 0, input is 0, next state is again 0 0 and output is 0. Whenever present state is 0 0, input is 1, next state is 0 1 and output is 0. Means for every state, having the input is 1, at that time what is the next state and what is the output. Whenever the present state is so and so, at that time input is 1, then what is your next state and output is 0. This arrow when it will be end, that will be indicate your next state. It's called as state diagram. It's nothing but graphical representation. Graphical representation. Okay, same thing is written this on these slides. Okay, now see the state table. State table is nothing but representation of sequential circuits, consists of three sections: present, next state, output, right? So see the how they are represented. Suppose present state is Q1 Q2, then 0 0, input is 0, then we got output is 0, like this one. We'll see in the table I will clear. Present state 0 0, if input is 0, at that time next state is 1 1 and output is 0, like this one you can read. See again I will read. Whenever present state is 0 0, input is 0, at that time output is 1 1, sorry, output is next state is 1 1 and output is 0. We'll take another example. See, for example, 1 1. Present state is 1 1. Input is 0. Next state is 1 0. And at that time output is 0. Again present state is 1 1. Input is 1. At that time next state is 1 0 and output is 1. Right? So in this way we can read the state table. Okay, so it contains the present state, next state, input as well as the output. Okay, hope so guys we understood this representation. Thank you.